Hi everyone, I'm Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown. We are continuing our series of summer balloon animals for beginners. We've already made a snail and butterfly, and today I'll show you how to make a ladybug bracelet using just one long balloon. Let's go! Let's inflate the balloon and tie the knot. You can find the link to my How to Tie a Balloon tutorial for beginners in the description. How to make the head. Make a pinch twist. Then, tuck the tail inside the hide it. How to make the legs. Twist for small bubbles. Bring the first bubble to the fourth one and lock with them together. How to make the back wings. Twist a bubble about 4 fingers long. Let the air out of the remaining balloon and tie a knot. Wrap to the remaining part around the legs. How to make the bracelet. Tie the end of the balloon to the head. Now let's draw the eyes, a smile, and the dots. The ladybug is ready. Simple and easy. Do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Yours Daisy. Bye.